Hello guys. Look, yeah, it's in Sri Lanka, the place where I am living. So magical, and this is the paddy field. They have finished harvesting all paddy fields now. Some of them are the far beyond here. They still have greeny. And look at how beautiful. Still have lot of winds. See cows everywhere. And this is the small lake. People who doing their basic things using this water. See, people are getting bath. Look how beautiful. Very simple, unseen life in Sri Lanka. And if you like, give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And share someone who likes the nature to see. Yes, thank you.